Most people think Mistplay is a scam when their payout doesn't arrive instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Mistplay payouts are usually legitimate, but the waiting time depends on the reward type, your account activity, and one important setting many users completely ignore. In this video, you'll learn how long Mistplay payouts really take, why some rewards arrive faster than others, and what to do if your gift card seems stuck or delayed. Let's get straight to the answer. For most users, Mistplay gift card payouts take anywhere from a few minutes to around 48 hours. Smaller rewards like $5 gift cards are often processed faster. Larger rewards sometimes take longer, because they may trigger extra verification checks. For example, Jake redeemed a small Amazon reward and received it within 15 minutes. But when he tried cashing out a larger reward later, it took nearly 2 days to process. That delay is normal in many cases. But here's the problem. A lot of users accidentally delay their own payouts without realizing it. Mistplay may review accounts that switch devices frequently, use VPNs, or show unusual gameplay patterns. If the system detects anything suspicious, the payout process can slow down significantly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your first payout is often the slowest. This is where most people fail because they panic too early. Mistplay sometimes manually reviews newer accounts before releasing rewards. Once your account builds a normal activity history, future payouts are usually faster. Another important factor is the reward type itself. Digital gift cards usually arrive quicker than prepaid card rewards or special promotions. In 2026, many users report that popular rewards like Google Play or Amazon gift cards tend to process the fastest. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid payout delays completely. Before that, make sure your email address inside Mistplay is correct. Alex spent hours waiting for a reward that had already been sent to an old email account he forgot was connected to the app. Now for the easiest prevention method. Avoid using VPNs, don't run multiple reward apps aggressively at the same time, and always redeem points through the official Mistplay app. These small habits reduce the chance of triggering account reviews. But here's something important. If your payout has been pending for more than 72 hours, contact Mistplay support directly. Include your player ID, screenshots of the redemption, and the exact reward requested. Clear details usually speed up the support process. So here's the honest answer. Most Mistplay payouts in 2026 arrive within minutes to 2 days. Delays can happen, especially for new accounts or larger rewards, but they are often temporary and fixable. If this video helped clear things up, comment below with how long your last payout took. And subscribe for more Mistplay tips, reward app guides, and online earning tutorials.